All right, hey, so today we're back out at Gulf Star Marina. We successfully poured our crane pass slab Tuesday. Today's Thursday. We have started working on forming cast in place walls. This one's ready to go this afternoon. We're actually waiting on the concrete right now. Pouring 20 yards using a Vandex water inhibiting additive as well as plasticizer. We've had very good luck with the plasticizer. Our recent break results have come back in the 4,500 PSI range at 7 days for our 4,000 design. The guys are trying to get ahead of the game a little bit with grading and prepping because our next step is to pour this upper slab. That basically has to happen Wednesday before Thanksgiving so that we will be able to begin forming panels and be standing something up the first week of December 3rd. Rod Busters is working on the last of the grade beams, which go out in the ramp area where the boats come out of the water, and it's another busy day.